So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to pin notes on the Notes app. So let's just say I have a bunch of different notes right here. So I'm going to go ahead, new note, hello, new notes, goodbye, new notes, important. So if you wanted to pin these notes right here, it's actually pretty self-explanatory. I want you to go ahead and select the note that you want. So in this case, if I wanted to pin hello, go ahead and or right click it, so press control, or you can go ahead and press control this way. I'm going to go ahead and pin notes just like this. Now this time under the pin notes right here, I have my important notes. If I wanted to pin this one, you can do the exact same thing. If you wanted to unpin it, you can press unpin it and just proceed that way. So pretty simple, but that is how to pin notes on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.